Well, I'm back for almost 2 months na yata ako walang bagong painting. And lately, yung lumantin na favorite color ko itong purple. This is 50 by 90 canvas. So underpainting lang muna siya kasi meron akong gustong i-recreate na painting. Favorite ko kasi yun. Yes. Hindi naman exactly the same pero yung idea almost the same. Hindi ka naman talaga makaka-replicate ng painting kasi bawat stroke nagbabago. So, okay na yung first coating ng undercoat. Antayin ko muna siyang ma-try. Mag-sketch tayo rito ng painting na i-recreate.